Hello beautiful queens. If you are wondering how you can achieve this beautiful airdrop style, come with me. Let me show you how you can achieve a very simple round airdrop style. Yes, this is very simple, guys. So you can see the way I take my ashoke material from front to back, and I am just going to create some folds, which you can call pleats. See the way I'm creating those folds. It's up to you how neat you want it to be. If you want it super neat, you have to be diligent in arranging these folds. But if you just want something that mimic a plate that is not super laid, like that is not super layered, you can just do like a rough plate, just like mine right here. Because my goal here is not to do a professional job. My goal is to teach you a DIY job, something relatable, something you can understand, you can relate with, and something you can achieve on your own. Now I take the other hand and I make a rough plate. You hear me right, is a rough plate. It's not a perfect plate like what the professional hairstylists will do. But our goal is that when you don't have those hairstylers, airdrop stylers, you should be able to do something on your own. Now I can decide to take this all the way to the back, but because of the kind of flare I want to achieve, I just stop it right there around my hair side and on the right, and then I'm using a hair tie to hold it in place. Yes, I use a hair tie to hold this in place. Yeah, and then I use one layer underneath. I'm going to be pinning that down just to make sure it's secure the way I want it. Focus your eyes. You will understand this style, you will learn, and with this style you can achieve a lot of different style. But I'm just focusing on that round hacky plated gele. So I decided to go with the second one that is coming from the back and take that one to the left side with that same rough plate. I just use my hand to create that rough plate, and you can see the effect is looking pleated already. Yes, guys. So that one go all the way to the back, and you can use a pin to secure it, just to make sure that it stay in the right spot. But if your material is kind of like long, you can tuck it in such a way that you still have that round effect shape. So now that one that I stopped right there, I use it to create like a hack to kind of like add more volume to my gele. So I open it up, and then I take one of the hand to the left side, and then I'm using a pin to pin it down at the back. Okay, guys, like it's coming together already. I'm telling you, you will love this style. And as you can see, it's looking like airdrop. I just use my hand to fold in like a rough right there, and then that hand you can tuck it in and secure it with a pin. Okay, guys, I just want to make sure my ruffle is ruffling. And now I have my ruffle that makes that semicircle hack right there, and then the end of the material I secure it to the back with a pin. I've always told you guys, when you're working with pin, you have to be diligent and careful so that you don't poke yourself. And I'm just arranging the ruffle part of this round gele. Guys, that's it. Super easy, and you are good to go for your next O1B with this celebrity plated round gele. And remember, this one is a DIY style of round gele. What do you think? Isn't this beautiful? Very simple, very easy to achieve. You can raise your head wrap style, pull it back, arrange it, let it frame your face, and you are good to roll. And this is what the back looks like. I leave my hair out at the back, and I am ready to roll with this beautiful head wrap. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to share. I love you.